So in this video, I'll show you how to create Alibaba accounts. So after you open up your mobile phone, go and install the application on your mobile phone on Play Store or App Store, and then tap on your profile at the bottom right side. And then go to this sign in at the top left side. So from this option now, if you are using iPhone, it will give you to sign in with your Apple ID. So if you are using Android phone, just go ahead and tap on this continue with Google. From there, it will give you a list of your Google and select the one that you want to sign up with it. So after you select the Google account you want to sign up with it, from there just tap on this create account. From there, it will create your account simply. That's it, guys.